In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the HDMI no signal issue on a Samsung TV. First, check the HDMI cable is firmly connected to both the TV and the external device, and try unplugging and reconnecting it. Next, use the remote to select the correct HDMI input source that matches the port you are using. After that, restart both your TV and the connected device like a laptop, console, or streaming box if the signal still doesn't appear. Try using different HDMI port or a different HDMI cable to rule out hardware issues. You can also go to Settings, General, External Device Manager, and enable input signal settings if available. So that's it.